Italy, a country with a rich history and culture, is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Located in southern Europe, it is known for its art, architecture, food, and natural landscape. History and culture. Italy has a very ancient history that dates back to the Roman Empire. Rome, the capital of Italy, was the center of the Roman Empire and still has many ancient ruins, like the Colosseum and the Roman Forum. Additionally, Italy is the birthplace of the Renaissance, a period when art and science reached their peak. Cities like Florence and Venice, with their unparalleled art and architecture, are witnesses to this era. Food. Italian cuisine is popular all over the world. Pizza, pasta, and gelato are just a few examples of famous Italian foods. Each region of Italy has its own unique dishes, made with local ingredients. For example, in Naples, you can find the best pizzas in the world, and in Tuscany, you can enjoy local dishes like ribollita and bistecca alla fiorentina. Tourist attractions. Italy is full of tourist attractions. From historic cities like Rome, Florence, and Venice, to beautiful natural landscapes like Lake Como and the Alps. One of Italy's most famous attractions is the Leaning Tower of Pisa, known for its tilt. Additionally, Venice, with its canals and gondolas, is one of the most romantic cities in the world. Art and architecture. Italy is home to many great artists and architects in history. Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Raphael are just a few examples of great artists whose works are displayed in museums and churches across Italy. St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City and the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore in Florence are outstanding examples of Italian architecture. Lifestyle. Italians value living with relaxation and enjoying small moments. The culture of sitting in cafes and enjoying a cup of coffee with friends and family is a prominent feature of the Italian lifestyle. Additionally, local festivals and celebrations are held throughout Italy, showcasing the rich and vibrant culture of this country. Conclusion: with its rich history and culture, delicious food, unique tourist attractions, and distinctive lifestyle, Italy is one of the best tourist destinations in the world. If you are looking for a different and unforgettable experience, you must visit Italy.